As the CEO of a marketing agency and tech startup, what are your three biggest investments this past year?
People, personnel is number one. Technology is number two. And then I'd say personal and team development would be number three. So from a personnel standpoint, they say when you're really small, we were really small. You have a lot of Swiss Army knives that work in your company, and this year we're really getting closer to our launch. We're starting to add people, and so I think the personnel that I added specifically, we added you, Shannon. You came in as our social media director, earlier this year, middle of last year, and changed everything about everything we were doing. So that was a great investment. I wish I would have done it earlier. If anyone's listening, I should have done this years ago when I thought about it. So I didn't. I wish I would have started earlier, right? This was a big win. It's made a huge difference in our business. We've seen the impact of it, and it's really set a great foundation for us. So investing in people, and then we've started our Nepal division of our software developers. So that was a big investment in personnel. And then we brought a couple of other key elements onto the team. So I would say people are the most important element of your business, especially when you have a small team like this. Everybody needs to be able to carry the water. So we really upgraded our team this past year.
And just to clarify, the way that whenever we say investment, we're not just talking about the way the money is spent, right?
Yeah. It's not me investing in a stock. It's what did I invest my time and my money in last year that had the biggest impact on the business. I'd say personnel is number one for sure. Absolutely. The second part is technology. Sometimes in business you have to make some calculated bets and calculated risks. As a small tech company, one of the things that were hindering us sometimes with big opportunities is there's a real emphasis on data privacy and security. There's some certifications for platforms like ours that let these big companies know that you're doing all of the things that you should do as an organization to keep their data not available for a hack or some type of intrusion. So it was a huge investment for us, and we didn't have this account, but we took the risk. It cost us probably nearly $100,000 to go through this process. But at the end of it, now it looks like we've won the business of the biggest direct marketing firm in the United States. And so, that calculated risk on that technology, made a lot of sense. So that was a big win from us from a technology standpoint. And then we have a little surprise. The whole world knows about ChatGPT and OpenAI and all this new capabilities that are coming to the forefront. With our big launch of MarketingBox, we also were able to invest in that technology and integrating it into our software in a pretty cool way, which I can't wait for everybody to see and for us to release this in the next couple of months. So I think technology was the next biggest thing. And then personal development and team development, right? Just making sure that, just that I was touching, everybody understood and was bought into the vision and the dream of where we're trying to go. So whether it's me becoming better, being a better person, a better friend, a better supervisor, a better leader, any of those things I tried to work on, but also spend a lot of time with everybody on the team, trying to pour some of this stuff into them also, right? So they're getting fed and spending time with them. We have a decent amount of people that work remotely, so you don't have that connection in the office. So just being intentional, investing the time to stay closely connected to them where they feel a part of the team, even though they're remotely. So I'd say those are the three biggest investments that look like are going to pay off really well from last year.